welcome everyone watching this video to another video tutorial, and in this very video I will walk you through on how you can create a double exposure effect using Snapseed. And so I'll be showing you how you can use this image and this image to create this. So make sure you watch to the very end and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So guys, I'm going to start by bringing in a photo from my gallery. So you click on this plus icon. So guys, this is the background we'll be using, and so the first thing I have to do is to expand it so that it can fit in the photo we'll be using. So you click on the expand tool and then you increase this to the maximum length. Yes, as you can see, it's increasing in size. So yes, it is complete. Now you click on this. Now what we have to do is tone the image, and so you click on this tone image icon and then you increase the brightness a little. Now the contrast, you increase the contrast a little. Just make sure you note the numbers. Now you give the ambience, you increase the ambience a little, and then the warmth. Okay, I think it's okay like this. So you click on this. Now as you can see, this is our first edit, and now this is where we are. So let's start with the double exposure. Now you click on these tools and then move down and click on double exposure. Now click on this icon here to bring in a photo from your gallery. So guys, the photo, as you can see, the photo of a woman looking upward is already here, and so you click on this and then click on subtract. Now guys, as you can see, everything has been embedded into each other. So you click on this. Now click on this icon and then you you go to the curves. Now continue the curve. Now you increase it, you draw it lower a little. Okay, I think it's okay like this. So this is where we started, and now this is where we are. So guys, this is how you can create a double exposure effect on Snapseed. And so don't forget to like, subscribe, and choose all on the notification bell icon so that you can be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you very much guys. See you in my next video.